Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about something very, very important, right? What I'm gonna talk about is why right now in 2026 is the best time to learn how to trade, okay? And invest, but trade, okay? So nothing that I say in this video is going to be financial advice, right? If you want financial advice, go and talk to a licensed financial advisor. But check this out, right? When you are looking at the market, right? You watching these videos, you watching my videos, you learning how to trade, you're trading right now, you losing money, whatever the case is. I want you to understand the power of what's going on right now, okay? Right now, we got some conflict in the Middle East. I just read an article. They said that they sent 2,500 troops to the Middle East, right? So if things continue to heat up and this stuff gets taken serious, what's going to happen? Market going to drop, right? But what does the market always do? It always recovers, okay? Now, also, what usually happens this time of year, every year? The same thing, the market drops, okay? From February to April of last year, what happened? The market dropped, okay? We had all the tariff talks. You see what I'm saying? April, I think it was like 12th, we had our low of the year. After April, the market went crazy. 6 months later, we was at all-time highs, okay? The market does this every year. So if that's the case, I want you to understand, right? If I go and I buy one share of, let's just say Apple stock at $200, okay? One share of Apple stock at $200. And then the stock goes up to $210, I made $10 for the one share, right? Okay. Now, what if I buy an Apple call option for $500? If that stock goes up $10, I didn't only make $10, y'all, right? A $10 move on the stock, depending on what your expiration date was. Let's say you got it, a month out, right? Just a month out. Probably a little bit more expensive than that, but let's just say for example's sakes, a $10 move, you will probably have made probably over $400, $500, which is 100%, right? So I need you guys to understand this. An option contract gives you the right to buy and or control 100 shares. So an option contract moves 100 times faster than an equity. And an equity being a stock, a share, a common share, right? So this is how people is making 30, 40, 50% returns off of a stock moving by 80 cents, 50 cents, a dollar, right? And also understanding the shorter the time frame of the expiration date, the greater the returns, which is why I love trading 0 data expirations, right? I literally love trading 0 data expirations on IWM because the returns are enormous in relevance to how much money you can put out. So when I'm saying right now is the best time to learn how to trade in 2026, it's because the market is coming down, okay? The market is coming down. Now, are we at the bottom? I don't know yet. We could be coming down some more. But regardless, if we do come down some more, it's even better for you to learn how to trade. Because here's what's going to happen. What's going to happen is If we come down some more, that's just going to be a blessing. You'll be able to put some money into shares, to ETFs, right? To growth stocks that are going to be down by 20, 30, 40, 50%. And 6 months from now, those same stocks are going to be near or at all-time highs. So you're going to see stocks go from being down 30 to 40% to being up by 5% above all-time highs. That's a 50% swing in the equity, which means that your option contracts are going to go absolutely insane. So we're talking about getting rich this year off of the dip that we're seeing right now. Right? Now, could we come down lower? Like I say, yes, we can. But the lower we go, that's setting us up better. And the lower we go, that's a better opportunity for you to keep stacking cash and keep stacking cash and keep stacking cash. Because the more cash that you stack, the more cash you can deploy when we really reach the low of where we're going to go. So the low could have been this week, but it might not be. We could gap down some more because we're still seeing some bearish sentiment. We still got order flow coming in on puts. So I think that we got a little bit more to go. But once we finish coming down, which will probably be in another week or two, what's going to happen, y'all? What's going to happen is the market is going to start slowly climbing up, and you're going to look up 6 months from now and be like, dang, these stocks went crazy. And all I did was watch them go up. Just watch them go up. So you got to ask yourself, how many years are going to go by where you're going to watch stocks skyrocket and you ain't got a piece of it? How long, how many years back to back to back are you going to stay stuck? How many years are you going to keep thinking that options is a scam? How many years are going to go by where you're just going to continue to watch other people get rich? How many years are going to go by where you're going to continue to allow your future to get pushed back further and further because you're scared, you're a skeptic, you think that trading is gambling, all of this stuff? Because if you want to, once we get a bottom, let's say you got 10,000, 15,000, you could literally go take 12,000 once we get to the bottom and just get call options 3 to 4 months out. Because we know that we've reached the bottom and the stock is already down 20, 30%, you will know if the whole market is getting ready to go back up, you can flip that 12K into 50K in 4 months by clicking some buttons, getting in position, and letting the stocks run up for a couple months. I'm just telling you guys. I'm genuinely just telling you the truth. Are we in a bear market? Technically, no, not yet. Also, a bear market usually lasts on average for 9 months. So let's say we do come down for 9 months. That's perfect, because while you're learning how to trade, you can start using paper trading, learn how to trade, right? You paper trade, you get all your mistakes out the way. You're learning how to trade as stocks are coming down and we're in a downward trend. You keep stacking your money from your job or whatever. Then you start putting your real money in, then you start growing that account. And then we start to go in the uptrend and stocks are down 20, 30, 40%. Now you enter in some swing trades, and you literally just ride these stocks up for 2 to 3, 4 months. And then you turn 3,000 into 8,000, 4,000 into 10,000, right? I'm not just making these numbers up. This stuff is very real, y'all. This stuff is very real. You can get rich as hell over the next 3 to 5 weeks, depending on if we confirm that we reached the bottom. I want to say if we confirm that we reached the bottom, right? And you do that by looking at the daily, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. Look at the charts, y'all. Look at the charts. Look at the charts. Learn how to read the charts. Almost every video that I make, we're always looking at the actual charts. Order blocks, fair value gaps, buyers, sellers, strat method, strat combo, weekly time frame, daily time frame, monthly time frame. I'm giving you guys everything you need to make an absorbent amount of money in the stock market without gambling. So my question to you is, when are you going to get in the game and commit to getting in the game? When? Are you going to continue to sit on the sidelines? Are you going to continue to take forever to get in the game? Or are you going to finally get in the game and take this serious? Right? You can change your life in the stock market, and there is no asset class better than the stock market to create real wealth, to make real money. I've been in real estate, right? That's usually the only other thing that people compare. You get a job. If you have a job, you take that money, you save it up, and you learn how to put it in the market and you flip it. If I knew what I knew now at 19 years old, at 22 years old, I would have been worth way more money. Right? And if you feel like you're behind, you're not behind, because the only thing that matters is today and right now. I'm telling you guys this for a reason. We are sitting in a golden opportunity. Don't worry about all this, the fear stuff, the fear mongering. Learn how to trade. Learn how to make money in the market. I don't care what nobody talking about it's a scam and don't do it. Listen, the people that say it's a scam don't trade. Think about that. They probably lost some money and they just stay away from it. The people that trade don't say it's a scam. The people that are making money don't say it's a scam because they learned the game. They learned the rules. Some people just haven't stayed in the game long enough to learn how to actually win at it. And it's always the losers that are saying this is a scam. We know it's not fast money. Yes, you're going to lose money. That's a part of the game. When we don't say that starting a business is a scam, but you lose money in business too. We don't say having a job is a scam. Some people do, but big picture we don't. Why? You lose money when you work in a job. You're losing time. You're losing precious time with your family, your kids. But why is it that to learn how to trade options is a scam? It's gambling. Everything in life is a gamble at some point in time. But you got to put yourself in a mental state where you like, I'm not scared no more. I'm about to get it. And if you are already learning how to trade, but you're being reckless and you just get in trades because you're bored, you in the same position as somebody that isn't learning how to trade yet. You gotta get serious about this. You gotta get serious about where you at and where you wanna go. You're gonna make mistakes, yes. But making the same mistake over and over again, that's not making a mistake. At that point, that's a conscious choice that you're choosing to make. And that is no longer a mistake. That is a decision. Okay? So listen, y'all. right now is literally the best time to learn how to trade. Don't worry about what everybody else is saying. Don't even tell nobody you're learning how to trade. And me, I am talking about stock options. I'm not talking about anything else. You can learn how to trade whatever you want. I chose to go down the route of stock options, right? That's what I chose. But you can choose whatever you want. I honestly recommend stock options because you're going to have to buy stocks anyway. So you might as well learn how to trade stocks and analyze a stock so that way you'll know what to invest in as well. If you trade futures and you're not really focused on stocks, you may not know what stocks to buy, and so you're still going to have to research stocks. So if I'm researching stocks, then I might as well trade the thing that I'm researching so I don't have to do double the work, right? So that's why I chose it. But listen, right now is the best time to learn how to trade. And then you invest. ETFs are coming down. Index funds, ETFs, whatever you want to call them, they're coming down. They're going to recover. The market is going to recover. You just have to learn how to read the charts and understand market sentiment, understand what's going on in the geopolitical space, understand how that correlates to the market, understand how Trump likes to make the market move, and you will be good over time. But you cannot sit here and tell me that people are not getting rich in the stock market every day, every week, every month. I've seen it, right? It's happening every day, right? So I highly encourage you guys to get serious about learning how to trade options. It's not gambling, right? It's learning how to flip your money strategically and methodically. So if you want to learn how to trade, come join us in the Discord, okay? Come trade with us. Come learn how to get this money. Come learn how to flip this money. But I really, really, really want you guys to win and stop being scared, all right? So like I always say, man, get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great weekend. And I'm going to see you guys on tomorrow's live. All right? Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.